And this was $68. So this was pretty pricey for this waist trainer. And I'm not really, you know, going on here to like bash the company, but I'm just stating that this is not really a waist trainer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Today's video, we're going to be doing a review of the Skims waist trainer. So first I wanted to do a little unboxing. The trainer came in this cardboard box right here. Pretty simple. I was expecting the packaging to be a little bit more elaborate, but I know she makes the packaging as minimal as possible so that you can recycle them. And inside of the box, it says Skims, and it comes like this. So inside of the box, it comes with this little wrapper that shows you the shapewear. All of the packages come like this, so all of them come with this in it. It comes also with your receipt. Shipping was maybe about 5 business days it took for it to arrive, so it was pretty quick considering that we are in a pandemic. So I was able to get this fairly quick. I ordered this in January and I'm still using it to this day, but I did wanted to give you guys my in-depth review on the product as it's been a couple months since I've worn it. The waist trainer comes in this black bag and it says Skims on it. It is pretty big, y'all. Like, look how big this bag is. It's pretty big. It tells you how much the product was. So I got this in onyx and medium. It was $68. It has the skim tag. There is a zipper, and inside is the waist trainer. So the waist trainer itself is very thin, as you can see. It's very thin. It stretches. It has rolls, right? It has rolls right here, 3 rolls, and then the little hook on it. So with the waist trainer, I did wear it about for a full day, for more than 8 hours, and then I also wore it for like a couple hours when I first got it. The first thing I realized is that it is very thin. It is very thin for a waist trainer. I feel like this shouldn't be called a waist trainer. It should be more of a waist cincher, because a waist trainer it's more bulky and it also has more compression. This just feels like a little piece of material that you can just wrap around your body if you already have a nice body. So if you already have the hourglass shape and you're just trying to make sure that your waist is cinched in and in shape, then you can get this waist trainer. But if you're trying to waist train where you want your waist to be snatched and that is trimming and that is molding your shape, this would not be it. So I think the marketing on this one with the name waist trainer is not that good, because it shouldn't be called a waist trainer, because it's not really a waist trainer. So I wrote down a list of the pros and cons on my phone. So the pros is that it's very thin, it's comfortable to wear, and you don't feel like you're suffocating. So you feel like there's something there, but it just feels like it's holding you. It's cinching you like a garment, but it doesn't feel like an actual waist trainer where it's like compressed and you can feel the pressure and that you can feel that it's contouring your body. It doesn't feel like that at all. And then it's also stretchy, like I stated. So it's very stretchy, and it's you can lounge in it, you can lay down, you could sit on your couch, you could do laundry, you can mop, sweep the floor without feeling any kind of discomfort. So that's why I like about this one. So this one is more like if you just had like a baby and you don't want anything too tight and too constraining, you can just put this little belt on and it should be able to give you some type of pressure to be able to hold in the stomach, but it's not like a waist trainer where it is super compressed. Like, you're not gonna get that kind of feeling for this one. And then the cons that I have for it is that it's not enough compression. Like, for me, I like to wear waist trainers for almost my whole entire work shift since I am sitting down at a computer desk. So I would like something to be able to help me with my posture, help with if you have back pain, also help train my waist. And when I take it off, I should be able to see, like, you know, some type of, not immediate results, but you know what I mean. Like, when you wear a waist trainer and you take it off, like, you're able to still see kind of the shape until your body actually, you know, morphs back into what it was. So that's the only issue I have with this one. It's not really a waist trainer, it's a waist cincher, and it's a little loose, to be honest. Like, it is very loose. I was able to get onto so when I first tried it on, I put it on the first row. I put it on the first row and I didn't feel anything for a medium. I got a medium, y'all, and I went based off the size guide that they said. I measured my waist, I measured my hips, I measured my bust, and this was the size that it said to get for my bust. You know, I never purchased a waist trainer from them before, so I wouldn't be able to tell. And I also was reading the reviews and they were saying that it fits to size. But when I actually got it myself, since I do wear other waist trainers, this waist trainer didn't feel like anything on me. Like, it didn't feel like I was wearing any kind of waist trainer. Like, it was so loose. And also with it, if you have a long torso or you have a fupa or you have a little stomach at the bottom, then the waist trainer will literally sit on top of it, because this is perfect for somebody that have a short torso. I will do a little demo at the end. This is for somebody that have a short torso. So if you do have a belly or you have a fupa, this won't really compress it. And also when you wear it and you sit down, the sides do roll up. So it's not like it's, you know, set in stone in place. It does roll up on the sides, which I preferably don't like because it's bulging out and it's like sticking up like this when you wear it. And then also, as soon as I put it on, there was no compression. Like I mentioned, there was no compression on it. And then you're able to see the rolls through the clothing. So what I mean by rolls is these little hooks right here. When you wear a fitted tee, or if you're wearing a tank top or a dress, you will be able to see these through the dress and or the outfit that you're wearing. And I know some people don't like for them to look like they're wearing any kind of shapewear or any kind of waist trainer, but this one specifically, you will be able to see rolls in it. This one, as soon as I put it on, I was able to jump to the second roll, which is not good. Like, usually with waist trainers, you want to work your way, you know, to the last row. I shouldn't be able to put it on the second row as soon as I got it. That means that this waist trainer will eventually stretch out for me and I won't be able to have any use from it. And this was $68, so this was pretty pricey for this waist trainer. It shouldn't be $68 for something that stretches so much and that doesn't offer the amount of compression that a waist trainer is supposed to offer in it. And also there's only 3 rows for it. So if I buy this and I'm already on the second row when I purchase it, how long is it gonna take me to get to the 3rd row? I didn't even try the 3rd row because I'm pretty sure I can get on the 3rd row right away. So at this point, this is just like a little, you know, thing that you can put on if you already have a nice shape. If you already have a flat stomach, then this will help keep your stomach there. But if you're looking for some type of waist trainer to go ahead and offer you compression and also train your waist at the same time, I would not recommend you buy this. But if you do have already a flat stomach and you just need something to help keep your waist where it's at and keep your stomach flat and that it's comfortable to move in, then I would highly recommend you get this. Waist trainer should offer compression. This offers little to no compression at all. And like I stated, I was already on the 2nd to 3rd row of this waist trainer and it's just not it. And I would honestly tell you guys to save your money, purchase other waist trainers elsewhere. However, their other products are pretty great. but like I stated, it is overpriced. Obviously, because it is Kim Kardashian, it is overpriced, but this should save your money. But I'm about to show you guys what it looks like on me so you guys can get a good example of what it looks like. Enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you purchased this waist trainer yourself and what were your thoughts. You guys can go read the reviews on their website for yourself and see exactly what people are saying, and pretty much everything that I stated in this video is already said in the reviews on their website, so I'm pretty sure they're probably already aware of it. I'm not sure if they're going to make adjustments or improve it, but for the price of $68 and calling it a waist trainer, this is definitely not a waist trainer. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.